Cooking with clarity. Cooking or preparing a meal is an opportunity to form a loving connection with your food. As you prepare a meal, you can cultivate mindfulness of your body and mind, as well as the food you will be eating. Whether you're making a quick meal or preparing a feast, use this exercise to ground yourself in the present moment. Start your practice before you start grabbing supplies out of the refrigerator or the cabinet. Form an image in your mind of the meal you will be preparing. Envision both the completed meal and the individual ingredients. Notice your intentions in preparing this meal. As you begin gathering the things you will need, tune in to the body. Feel the body moving across the kitchen and reaching for each item. To help cultivate mindfulness, make an effort to move more slowly than you would normally do. As you chop, stir, and prepare, focus on one thing at a time. When you're turning on the stove, don't just turn on the stove. Feel the experience with your complete awareness. Whatever you are doing, bring your attention wholly to the task in front of you. Use your senses. Notice if you're hearing, feeling in the body, tasting, smelling, or seeing. When you see water boiling, investigate the sight, feeling the heat and the sound. As you chop vegetables, listen to the noise of the knife. Feel the utensil in your hand and notice if you can smell anything. Using all 5 senses helps you remain present and interested. When the meal is complete, pause to appreciate the experience. Recognize the effort you have put in. Bring gratitude to the energy that went into bringing the food to your kitchen in the first place. If you're feeding others, reflect that you are providing sustenance to these loved ones. Allow yourself to feel grateful. Namaste, my friends.